Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 6 of the Cougar Connection. We had another awesome week at Simons Middle School this week. We have a lot of projects starting up at SMS. We have a lot of community service opportunities available right now for students. We want to go ahead and jump right in and recognize this week our student spotlight, Seth Hickerson. Seth is an 8th grade student on the Blue Barracuda team, and this year he has taken a step away from football and has tried golf. And he's actually enjoyed a lot of success this year playing golf. There are about 20 athletes on the FCHS golf team, and they have participated in several matches across the state. The top 5 golfers of the team make up the varsity roster and attend tournaments and travel to matches. And Seth is actually one of those top 5 golfers. He is one who is expected to letter as an 8th grader, so that's going to be a huge accomplishment. And he started playing golf this past summer with the Youth Service Center's golf camp. Seth and his teammates traveled to Indian Creek and Mount Sterling this weekend for a tournament, and he attends practice daily and is taking lessons out of Moorhead. So congratulations to Seth for being a walk-on this year and getting out of his comfort zone and trying something new. Our staff spotlight for this week is Mrs. Linda McKee. Miss McKee is our JAG teacher here at Simons Middle School, and she does an amazing job with that program, and she's always trying to find ways to push those students to do things that get them out of their comfort zone and also provides them with a lot of opportunities that they probably wouldn't have otherwise. So thank you, Miss McKee, for your dedication to students. We're so glad that you're part of our Simons Middle School family. And now for some events that are upcoming. Parents, just a reminder that we do have open house. That's going to be on Monday. And we hope to see you all there, but if not, you can't make it for one reason or another, there will be midterms going home on Tuesday. So on Monday, besides open house, we also have an admin team meeting at 9, and we have a site-based council meeting at 3:45. On Tuesday, we have girls basketball team at Elliott County, and we also are beginning on Tuesday and Wednesday our etiquette classes. Thursday, we're going to plan to have Cougar coach for the first time, and we also have girls basketball at home versus Lewis, and we have an academic team match at home versus Bath County. Also, Thursday will be a PLC day, and it's also the Fleming County Show and Sale. Also Friday, don't forget, students, to wear your Cane Wheel shirts. I know there's a few of you who have told me over the course of the last week that you either don't know where your shirt's at or you didn't receive one. So if you haven't received a shirt, please make sure that you see me sometime this week, and I will try to get you one of those. And then also, like long-term, something that's coming up in the future, Grandparents Brunch is going to be on October the 1st. There's going to be some more details available for that at Open House. But if you are interested, be on lookout, parents, for information about that. That'll be coming home soon. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Let's have a great week.